Jagoro mogidore migao mar arita Raymond Omollo odiochieng' ma kawuono oromo gi jokanyo e komiti marango bero chenro mag obila e pacho ka. E romono mo oyuorie kod ogai mar obila Douglas Kanja, Omollo yango ni gidhi nyime kod twak e yore makare mag jiwo nyadhi e tije obila ma pacho ka. Bero ni kaka jatend migao mar arita gidhi chiwo luor ne ng'eto mar doho e moko kuom lokruoge ma gigeto kelo e tend bad migao no mar obila kaka doho nochiko.
About 50% of those recommendations have been implemented. Another 20 to 30%, we are in the process of rolling them out. And the balance of that are issues that we are seeking for further policy guidance and direction. So broadly speaking, I want to give the communication as the chair of the National Steering Committee to the country that we are on track with the implementation of these reforms. There was a recent court decision, and I'm sure it's important that we speak to it. And that court decision challenged the constitution of the task force, but it primarily focused on the role of the National Police Service Commission. And out of the 271 recommendations that came, 16 of those recommendations are the ones that were actually challenged. What we have agreed on is that we respect the decision of the court, and more so insofar as those 16 recommendations are concerned.